So good afternoon, sir. I'm here to present my system, which is laundry system. So introduction: the laundry management system is a command line application designed to manage the corporation of laundry service business. It utilizes a database to securely store all essential data, including service pricing, customer list, and transaction records. The system ensures accountability through a strict login requirement and forces new users to be approved by an administrator. Before gaining access, once logged in, staff can efficiently process orders, including automatic cost calculation and manage administrative oversight, promoting organized and secure operation. So, stakeholders, user of the system. System Administrator Manager. The administrator is responsible for all overall control, security, and administrative oversight of the system. First, user management, approving or rejecting newly registered user accounts using the approve user function. System oversight, viewing customer data, customer management, and verifying current service pricing. Sunod data control, maintaining data integrity by having ability to view, update status, and delete orders. Next, future planning, overseeing non-implemented. 3. Service operator. This user represents the staff handling the day-to-day transaction and processing of laundry jobs for customer. Order processing, adding new order by capturing customer ID, service type, and item weight. Billing accuracy, ensuring orders are correctly calculated by system. So automatic na siya mo answer basta mo enter kag kg. Next. So mao ni siya kung entity relationship diagram. Next kay flowchart. Mao ni siya ako flowchart. Data dictionary. So, system features and functions. Security authentication, access control, user registration, allows new staff member to create accounts with email and password. Pending status, newly registered account are set to a pending status and cannot log in until approval. Administrator approval provides a function for manager to manually view and approve pending accounts, granting them system access. Security login validates user credential and checks the approved status before permitting entry. So second kay order processing. So this module handles core daily operation for customer transaction. Add new order, records new laundry jobs for capturing ID, service ID, and item weight. Automatic billing, calculate the total cost for the order instantly using fetch service price and enter weight. Update order allows staff easily change the process status of job. View all orders, retrieves and display a list of all active or pending transaction. Delete order provides the function to remove order record from system. So, general management. This function are used to management for oversight, system references, user customers management, display list all registered user customer, include their status for a general oversight. Service price lookup allows staff to quickly view the current service and their price per kg. Wash fold, so 50 ang kuan taga per kg. Data placeholder includes menu items, features like payment records and delivery pickup records, signaling reserve space, feature expansion. So natutan na ng PPT sir. So mao din niya akong dagan sa code. So run. So first we have register down na. So enter name, enter email, gmail.com, password. So soy. Ito password. So password is 789. So account is pending approval. You cannot log in yet. Please wait for administrator. So kailangan pa mo siya i-approve dito sa database. So direta sa user data. So pangitaon naman yung soy. So imo ni approve. So na-approve na. Try na to balik. Logins. So yeah, igana siya guys. So order management. So nata dire add new order, update order status, view all orders, delete order, o back to main menu. So that's one first, add new order. So customer ID na siya. So 987. So pili ka dire wash, fold, ironing. So pili na tong wash and fold. So enter weight of items. So tanda na ka 10 kg. So record added successfully. So tanaw na to na kuan na 3 full order. So yan na ra imong, so automatic na siya mo makuha na dito sa imong kuan kaning price, basta mo enter ka sa imong kg. So 500 ang bayaran na. So og i-update na nimo imong order kay order. So imong update na 7. So completed. So balik 3. So wala man. So sa kuan day sa dire ka sa database nimo ikuan sa orders on data. So sa kan asa to kanina 987. So yeah, complete na completed. Check. So yeah, na balik mga na. Yan, nagana siya guys. Nagana siya. So delete order. Ay, yeah. So delete order ID. Kuan 7. So back to the menu. General management. So nata dire customer management, service management, payment records. So customer management. So nara dire mga nilagay na sa kuan. So service management, mga rin service list. So yun lang. Ano to sir?